Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're great. For those who are new, you are most welcome. It's your girl Miss Gabrie. So today guys, I'll be telling you things that you did not know about my village, but as I do so, I'm going to be cleaning my hut because it's quite messy. And starting off with my bed. We're gonna lay my bed, so let's do this. Yep, that's my bed for you. Anyway, I'm going to start off by folding my pajamas. Okay. Then I'm going to put this one like this. Okay, I'm going to put this here for now. So I'm going to put that on my side. It's time to lay the bed. Now for the bed, I need to have to tie the net up here. Now that I have this, I have to remove my blanket. This blanket, I'm also going to put it here. Okay, now I'm going to come down and lay my bed, although it's quite dusty. Moving up here. And now I'm going to lay it. That's done. Okay, putting back the pillow. Finally, my blanket. Oh. There we go. Okay, so the bed is laid. So I already have my jacket here. I have my bag and my towel. So this is settled. I'm just gonna leave a few things that were already here. Leave them the way they are. Don't want to misplace anything. We're going to organize a small table, then we'll have the next thing. Okay, so this is what we use to charge using solar. So I'm just going to fit it. Yeah. Okay. Every hut has tissue, just in case I want to maybe use the toilet at night. I have my own tissue. I have my smearing oil. I have my perfume. I have my torch, just in case. I have my hair oil. And then I'm going to dispose this. Actually, we might use it to light fire, so I'll take it to the kitchen. I have my cream. Ooh, it's medicine, so I'm going to put it here. Okay, village life is not easy at all. Like, if you have ever lived in the village before, you'd actually understand this. Village life has taught me that you must appreciate everything that you have, everything that you have. Electricity here is limited. Um, we rely on the lamps or torches at night. When someone is sick, the nearest hospital is kilometers away. School isn't close, so the children have to walk long distances every day to get an education. Yes, this place is beautiful, life is peaceful, but it's not easy. I have to sweep. Now we have a clean and tidy hut.